What's going on, YouTube? We back with another video. Yo, we come to y'all just some new stuff, new heat. I don't think these ain't dropped in over 20 years. So, hey, I think y'all ready for these. He don't know what they are, but I do because I purchased them. So, if y'all ready to get into this video, do me a favor, hit that like, comment, even subscribe. Hey, special guest. Yo. So let's get into these. We're gonna do a little unboxing. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So first box here. We got here. Straight from Nike factory. The crazy thing is the kids pair came quicker than the adult pair, which is crazy to me because I think they come from two separate places. So the tab never works. It never works. We're gonna pull this open. Let him open it. Man, they wasn't playing with this. They wasn't playing. It's like Christmas. Go ahead, open it up. Flip it over. Bam, pull that out. All right, pull it out the box. Hold on before you open it. Kid pair. We got the adult pair here. I'm gonna tell y'all, I didn't want these. I really just was like, I'm gonna see if I can get them, and I got them. I wasn't mad at it. Hey, these gonna be going up on the chopping block because I just didn't want them. We never know. I might keep them. They might be going up on the chopping block. You never know. If y'all do see them, they're gonna be going on my eBay page. Will be in the description. So, bam, bam, bam. All right, I want you to open it first. Look, turn it the other way towards you. Bam. Let the shoe out first. You like them?
Yeah. It's cool looking.
All right, take the other one out.
Ooh, sticker.
Yeah, and y'all know GS pair comes with the sticker, the Jordan sticker. So, damn. What do you like about the shoe?
So,
Hold it.
the shoe, I like the part where it has like the red there because red is my favorite color. And then the bottom looks nice because they have like the white and then the black.
That's
on
carbon
the bottom.
fiber.
And then this part's like the coolest part. It looks like silver.
Okay. So like I said before, I don't think it's been over 20 years since these released. It's a dope shoe. I thought it'd be great for him. This is a good shoe for him. To run around playing. You know how kids get. It won't be an everyday shoe, but we definitely got one here. You satisfied with them? All right. Bam. So for me, y'all know, y'all already seen the shoe. Adult men's pair, 11 and a half. Like I said before, I wasn't. Same thing. I'm not a big fan of these. I think it's a great shoe. I'm just kind of over white and red in that whole little scheme. I've had a bunch of 12s and I've sold them all. I probably got one pair of 12s left.
Daddy, what does it say here?
So it says 2-3 on the tongue. So it spells out the word 2 and it has a number 3 at the bottom.
Ooh, I didn't realize it before.
Yeah, so I don't know. I'm not a fan of them. I mean, he like them. I think this is his first pair of 12s he's had. He's had 3s and other things like that, but I think this is his first pair of 12s.
Looks big.
They are. You have a big feet now, buddy. You're getting bigger. So mine, if y'all don't know, his shoe is a size 5 youth. Mine is 11 and a half. Big feet, yeah. Mine 11 and a half. If you didn't know, these are running around I think these 200, 210. I think it's 210. You know, Jordan's going up. His ran around 160. Yes, 160 for youth. And that's ridiculous. So, once again, that is ridiculous. Go ahead.
So there's one part that I really don't like about the shoe. Is that they have like this part it goes like right here.
Mm-hmm.
I think it would look better if they just like had it like this side on both shoes. I think it would look better like that.
That's how like that. I forgot what this shoe was mimicked after, but this is one of Jordan's shoe that he wore. He wore this shoe. So, like I said before, I'm not a fan of them. Mine probably be going away. I was gonna wear them and just get a wear with him with them. We'll see. We'll see. Like I said, they might be going away this weekend. They might not. We shall see. Other than that, are you excited about your new shoes, sir?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can't
Okay.
wait to wear them someday.
Okay. So we do have Granny's thing coming up. You probably get to wear them then.
Ooh. Wait, I just realized on that side is different than this one.
Mm-hmm. Yours is smaller.
That's
Yeah.
cool.
Hold it up. Hold it up. So the bottom carbon fiber are different on the men's and the kids pair. So normally on kids player, you don't get this close of a resemblance. I think the tumble leather look, they got that down pack on both of them. But normally on kids pair, they don't look too familiar with each other. Like they don't resemble each other. The quality on kids pair is never there. And they knocked it out the park with these. I think the bigger sizes you go in kids pair, they kind of get closer to the men's pair, but they knocked out the park with this. And I'm satisfied with this. I'm not mad at it. I think they got the toe boxes right on these from the older pairs of 12s. But yeah. I might have misspoke on these hollow, but it's been a while since these came out. Don't quote me on the time, but it's been a while. It's definitely been a while. It might not have been 20 years, but it's definitely been a while. It's definitely been a while. Inside, yeah, you do got the Jordan logo on the thing in the inside. Bam. So no, but let me know what y'all think about this. This the first ever video with me and my son. Many more to come, so be on the lookout for that. The more he get in the shoes and the more he take care of his shoes, the more shoes he will get. But once again, with spending money comes responsibility. So you have to keep your shoes up, and we'll see how many you get from here on out. Maybe you'll be like me one day, but you're gonna have to get a job.
I know that.
You're gonna have to get a job. But anyways, hey, do me a favor, stay blessed, be blessed, and always, no matter what, find a way to get your blessings. Let your haters watch your past while you continue to look forward. Hey, it's your boy Blacked Out Kick and Jay, and we out.
You're telling me you're falling out in love with me. Hope you can find someone that loves you better than I did.
Okay.
Taking our memories on love and treating it like nothing. Taking our memories on love and treating it like gossip.